process. 1,000 grit, just like you've been doing.
Okie dokie.
All right, so we're gonna do it again.
All right, you got a stopwatch?
Yeah, he's on. He got a stopwatch. Go ahead.
Well, I
How
usually
long you wanna
do. Well, usually I do each of the 4 sides about 30 seconds when I start off.
So then it's total
And then I'm
120
on the, like,
seconds
say, the rougher grits, like 500 to 1,000.
Yeah.
And I don't want to knock so much of it off, so then I might drop down to 15 or 20 seconds the other side. So.
Well, how many seconds you want to do here?
Well, I'll do 30 seconds. How's that?
All right,
Tell me when 30 seconds is
All right,
up.
ready? Yeah, let's go. Let's do it. 30-second challenge right here. $15 seconds.
Oh my goodness. My arm's getting tired.
No, don't be tired.
But I do it 30 seconds, starting off with like 500 grit.
Yeah, you got
And I want to
5
put
seconds
some surface on it, and I want to take a little bit of it off.
2, 1. Yeah, that's it. There it is. Perfect.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. All right, so now we're going to clean it off.
You want to see what that Abralon pad looks like.
Yeah.
Oh, here you go.
Yeah. There we go.
There
okay.
you go.
Okay.
That definitely took some surface.
That took some surface.
That took some surface off.
Yeah. We're over here caking. Yeah. So now we're going to do this pad, right?
Okay.
We're going to do this pad.
All right.
We're going to stick it back in there. We're going to try it the exact same thing. 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. All right.
All righty, here we go. Tell me when 30 seconds is up.
Are you ready?
Here we go.
See how it's taking.
I see it's taking on the ball.
It is because
I can see it taking on the ball.
Be able to either go
Yeah.
into the pad or if you're right.
Yeah.
Stand on the ball. Yeah. There's good information to know. I mean, obviously, 3, probably would have to be 2, 1.
All righty.
Okay. So definitely some differences there.
Yeah. Also, I think difference is on the surface of the ball too.
Right. Yeah. Right. At least
Because
on
you
the
can
ball,
see
right?
the stuff on the
Right.
surface
Which
of
that's
the ball.
actually good because you actually need. That means that it's got somewhere to go. That's good.